Hello, I'm OBDI, the voice of your car. Let's talk about engine code P0130, what it means, what causes it, and how to fix it. When your scan tool shows P0130, it means there's a malfunction in the oxygen sensor circuit, specifically in bank 1, sensor 1. That's the upstream O2 sensor, located before the catalytic converter, usually near cylinder 1. Why is this sensor so important? Because it helps your engine maintain the ideal air-fuel ratio, around 14.7:1. It constantly sends data to the ECU, telling it how much oxygen is in the exhaust. Based on that, the ECU adjusts the fuel injection. If this sensor fails or sends incorrect data, the ECU can't manage fuel correctly. This can make the engine run too rich or too lean, which leads to poor fuel economy, rough idle or hesitation, increased emissions, and of course, the check engine light. So, what causes code P0130? Most often, it's a failing O2 sensor. Over time, it gets dirty, slow to respond, or just stops working. But there are other causes too. Broken or corroded wiring in the sensor circuit, loose or damaged connectors, exhaust leaks before the sensor, or, in rare cases, a faulty powertrain control module, PCM. How to diagnose and fix it. Start with an OBD2 scanner, check the freeze frame and live data. If the voltage readings are stuck or too slow to change, that's a red flag. Next, inspect the wiring and plug, look for cuts, rust, or loose connections. You can even wiggle the connector while monitoring data to see if it spikes. Also, check for exhaust leaks, especially at the manifold or flex pipe. If everything looks fine, but the code returns, the sensor may need to be replaced. Use a quality OEM or OI spec O2 sensor, cheap ones often don't last. Sometimes, people replace the sensor first, and the problem stays. That's why it's important to diagnose, not guess. Fixing P0130 will improve engine response, lower emissions, and save you fuel in the long run. It's a small part, but a big player in how your engine breathes. Error codes are just signals. The decision is yours.